deserve the public trust.
Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and I'm really excited to bring you, we have a new build. It is the ROBOCOP and it's from FANHOME, but as you can see, my magazine came from France. I have held it off this build for about 1 year now, only because I thought it was unfair for me to build this build and it would have just caused a lot of confusion, how to get it, where to get it and so on. So I've waited for FANHOME to release the ROBOCOP so I could build it alongside with yourselves. So with that in mind, I'm not going to show you what comes in. Well, I could show you, I guess. This is how the magazine looks, but mine's is in French, but the instructions, as you can see, are very well planned out, which so far I can tell what's going on. So should be, we are working on this part of the leg. It's the lower part of the foot. So yeah, so let's get on with it. So with that, we will need these two parts. I believe it is roughly the same, this side or that side. I can't see any differences. So all we need is a AM screw. I'm gonna dip mine in a bit of oil, just the head. Doesn't need much. It's just makes it a lot easier when putting metal to metal parts together. Believe me, that's the best advice you will get for this build, because there is a lot of metal parts. Now I'm not sure, mine did go in quite well there, but I might just get some kind of rag just to make sure. I'm not sure if it needs to be a bit of a wobble or not, but it's not really the ideal rag, this one, because it's quite soft. Let's just try and see if I could get my pliers. Sorry about this. I have to balance so I don't take my glasses out. And I'm just gonna hold that as tight as possible, not to damage the shaft, and try and see if I could hold that with my hand and hold this in place too. And I think that's quite tight. There's no wobble, but if it does need to be a bit wobbly or something down the line, it's just literally take that screw out, loosen it, and that's it. So let's just attach this to the next part. With that, you just need to put like so, and with 2 more AM screws, so let's just take them out. There's 1, 2. Again, a little bit of oil just on the tip. Believe me, helps a lot when screwing these parts in. So that's the start of the build, so let's get on with the next part. Now we have this, like we just made up. Now this part, it is metal, that's plastic, these are plastic, and hopefully you can see there is one small and one larger one. So with that, you would put, I believe, the larger one first. Put the larger one first, and then the smaller one just like that. If we get a bit of a close-up, let's drop them in. Pop that through. Quite easy so far. With that, we will need 4 CM screws. So just dip the head the screw in some oil. And with that, while I do that, let's just balance all this up. Just hold that like so. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Oh, should be just like that. First screw. Oh, that's now screwed in place. Should be like that. Let's get on with the next one. So we have all these parts now. Oh, yep. So let's just leave this to the side for a second. Now with this part, turn it over and line that up just like that. So hopefully you could see what I've done. Oh, it's literally like that. With this we will need quite a few CM screws, so I'm just gonna pour out quite a few just here and take it as it comes. And just a bit of oil again. With that we have the spring and again a CM screw. Let's try and see best way to get the spring on. I'm gonna just see if this goes through here. Yeah, it does. Get this on here. Doesn't need to be fully tightened at the moment. Just so we can have a bit of movement here. Now we have this, the toe. I guess this would be cold. Again, bit of oil on that. These are all metal parts. The only part that that's all metal. I thought that's plastic, but it's not. Let's get this slightly on. With that, and let's try see if we could hook this on. There it goes. So that wasn't too difficult at all. Now let's tighten these up. That looks to be okay. I believe this will go first. And line it up. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So you're gonna need a couple of more. One like that. Let's just get these in place. And now we have our toe. just falls in place. I have to say, as I can tell just from the quality of this build, how it all fits together, it's gonna be a great build. So just one screw here, and that's the end of our issue. So there is movement, as you can see, in the toe section. That's excellent. Everything is... I've made it quite sturdy. If this needs to be loosened up, the good thing is there's a holder just needs to loosen up, and I could adjust that if needed. But I really hope you enjoyed that issue, and if you could do us a favor, if you could hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, that would be excellent. Look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.